The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. All residents in the city of Orlando are advised to pay attention to this alert. Parents are reporting that their children were screaming and crying after watching a show. It turns out that their children were watching Mickey Mouse shows. As soon as the show starts playing, the TV was hijacked and shows Mickey Mouse with creepy and bloody eyes. When their children saw this, they were screaming and crying, and some kids even committed suicide. All residents in the city of Orlando are advised to not turn on their TV at all times. Keep your children away from TVs at all times. Stay tuned for more news about this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. It turns out that the whole United States was affected by the hijack. Children across the United States were screaming and crying after seeing Mickey Mouse with creepy and bloody eyes, and some kids even committed suicide. All U.S. citizens are strongly advised to not turn on their TVs at all times and keep your children away from TVs at all times. Stay tuned for more news about this dangerous situation.
Alright, it's time to fix the situation. So, can you please tell me what happened?
So my daughter was watching Mickey Mouse when the hijack occurred. When she saw it, she was screaming and crying. Oh wait, my husband is calling me.
Seriously, are you on freaking drugs right now? I have told you to turn off your device, but you didn't listen to me. Disney is not responsible for actions like this. Now, because you think hijackers are free, I called the local authorities. They told me they would arrive at your location within the next 5 to 10 minutes. Thanks for watching Disney, and thanks for not being stinky hijacker.
But I'm one of the local authorities.
I don't understand what Mickey Mouse meant.
Wait, and yes, it's...
That's right, hijackers!
Look, it's Mickey Mouse.
He looks evil and bloody.
Now it's time to die!
Oh no!
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. All residents of the city of Orlando get to your homes immediately. A strange creature was spotted roaming the streets of Orlando, attacking and killing anyone it sees. The name of this creature was found. It is not a real human. I repeat, it is not a real human. This creature is named Mickey Mouse.EXE. He was the one behind the hijacking. All residents in the city of Orlando are advised to lock all your doors and windows. If you see Mickey Mouse.exe near your home, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more news about this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. This is a shelter-in-place warning that has been issued for the city of Orlando. Mickey Mouse.EXE has been seen chopping residents' heads off with his sharp teeth. He was also seen writing with their blood, for example, "You're next," or "I'm coming for you." All residents in the city of Orlando are advised to seek shelter-in-place until further notice. If you see Mickey Mouse.exe near your home, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more news about this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. Everyone in the city of Orlando, evacuate immediately. Mickey Mouse.exe has been seen summoning clones of himself. There are at least 50 clowns in the city of Orlando. Reports say if one of the clowns kill you, you will transform into one of them. This is a very dangerous situation. It should not be approached. The military is having a hard time killing the clowns. Even worse, it could affect the entire state of Florida. If the military don't stop the clowns in time, the whole state will be destroyed, and even worse, the entire country of the United States. All residents in the state of Florida are advised to evacuate the state, gather the necessary supplies such as food, water, and more. Stay tuned for more news about this dangerous situation.
Now listen up, you filthy parents. You think your kids will enjoy shows of me? No, they won't. I will destroy the state of Florida and destroy the entire country of the United States. So get ready, Orlando, because my clowns are coming for you. Get ready, everyone, because I'm coming for you. The following message is transmitted by the request of myself, Mickey Mouse.exe. It's too late, Orlando. Me and my clones have finally destroyed the city. There's nothing you can do. The clones have killed every military man and police officers. Your day is officially ruined by me, and now it is time for me to destroy the country. There is nothing you yellow people can do to stop me. It's the best day ever for me, and it's the worst day ever for you yellow people. Have fun getting killed. Goodbye, yellow people.
Whose broad stripes and bright